David, there's a great offer on electronics at the mall starting today.
Sounds good.
I think we should go and check it out.
What could we possibly need? We have everything.
Our TV needs to be replaced.
But our TV is working fine.
I know, but it isn't a smart TV. We can't watch Netflix or YouTube on it.
We can watch them on our phones.
David, I don't want to watch movies on my phone. I want a bigger screen.
Okay, let's go and have a look. But we're not buying the most expensive one.
Fine. We'll find one that fits our budget.
Hello. We'd like to get a smart TV.
Hello, sir. Sure. What size do you have in mind?
Actually, we're not sure. We'd like something with more features.
Of course. What's your budget?
Around $500. Great. I can show you 2 models in that price range.
This is the first model. It has a 55-inch screen, 4K picture quality, and built-in apps like Netflix and YouTube.
That sounds good. What other features does it have?
It also has voice control. You can change channels, adjust the volume, and search for movies using your voice.
That sounds useful. What about the sound quality?
It has good built-in speakers. You can also connect a soundbar if you want better sound.
Does it have Bluetooth?
Yes, it does. You can connect wireless headphones or speakers to it. What about the warranty?
It comes with a 2-year warranty.
Okay, that sounds good. What about the second model?
The second model has almost all the same features, but it has a larger 65-inch screen.
Oh, I like the bigger screen. What else is different?
The features are almost the same. It's from a well-known brand that has been around for many years.
Oh, I see. So, what would the final price be for each one?
With the discount, the first model is $450. The second model is $520, and there's no discount on it.
Why doesn't the second model have a discount?
The discount is only available on selected models. This one is already very popular, so it isn't included in the offer.
I see. Could we have a moment to discuss it?
Of course. Take your time.
Emma, what do you think? Which one should we get?
I think we should go with the first one. It's within our budget.
I agree, but the second one is from a well-known brand and has a bigger screen.
True, but it's $70 more.
We're going to use it for years, so I think it might be worth paying a little more.
I liked the second one too, but you told me not to spend too much.
I know, but I think this one is worth the extra money.
Okay, I agree. Let's go with the second one.
Excuse me, we'd like to buy the second one, please.
Sure. How would you like to pay?
We'll pay by card, please.
Sure. I'll process the payment for you.
When can we expect the delivery?
We can deliver it tomorrow. A technician will also come to your home and install the TV.
Great. Is the installation included?
Yes, it's included in the price. The technician will call you tomorrow morning to confirm the exact time.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.